Hello, my name is Anya, and today we are going to click on items in a repeating group to like them and click again to remove our like. Here I have a movie, and that movie has a name as a text field. I also have a bunch of movies that I preloaded into the database that we can test with. So I want a user to be able to like a movie, but I also want to be able to see all of the movies that a user has liked. Given that I need to view this information from two different points, if I have a list of users that have liked a movie as a field on a movie, it prevents me from being able to easily extract all of the movies that one given user has liked. And the same for if I have a list of movies on a user. So what we need to do is create a whole nother data type. With a separate data type, we can easily find a like that corresponds to a movie. We can easily find all of the movies that correspond to the user. So let's set this up. I'm going to create a type called like, and that like is going to have a user that has liked the movie, and then it's also going to have a movie, which is what is being liked. Now that I have this set up, we can create the functionality where I can like and dislike something. Going to start by having a repeating group here, which is just going to be of type content movie and whose data source is going to be a search for all of the movies in the database. Also going to have a text field, which is going to show the current sales movie. Its name. I'm going to move that a little bit over, so over here we can add our liked icon, or I guess over here we should add it. To create the thumbs up icon, I'm going to use a bubble icon. It's going to search up for thumbs up, and I'm going to use this one. Now, I'm also going to set up a condition. I'm going to do a search for all of the likes where the movie is the current sales movie. I'm looking for all of the likes that correspond to this movie, and then I'm checking if any of those likes have the current user. And if any of them do, then the count is going to be 1. And the icon is going to become this filled in thumbs up. Also going to add a workflow here so that when it's clicked, we create a new like. And the like is going to have the movie as the current sales movie and the user as the current user. If we preview this, we can see that I can like Finding Nemo and it's reflected over here. But I want to be able to click it again to remove my like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a condition here, the same one that we used to make thumbs up filled in or not. We are going to do a search for all of the likes where the movie is the current sales movie and the user is the current user. And if that count is 0, if there are no that match both those criteria, we're going to create a new like. But if the count is 1, and we know that those are the only 2 options because it's either there or it's not, we are going to delete a like. And the like that we're going to delete is the thing that we were checking if it exists or not. You know the drill. But then this could theoretically return a list, but we know as the creators that we have set it up so that it will never have more than one item. So given that, we can just put first item right over here. And then we just want to delete it. If we preview this, you can see that Finding Nemo is thumbs up, and if we click it again, that disappears. A little buggy, probably just with my connection, but we can see that it does indeed work. Now, I also want to show you one more thing, which is a benefit of us setting up a like as a separate data type. We can have another repeating group where the source is going to be a search for all of the likes where the user is the current user. We're finding everything that the user has liked, and then we're looking at each item's movie. And that's what we're displaying. It's the benefit of setting it up this way. It's super duper easy to extract that information, and we are just going to show the current sales movie's name. Now, currently, I have nothing liked, so this repeating group is going to be blank. I can like Little Mermaid and Coco and Snow White, and all of that shows up. And I can unlike it, and that's also reflected here. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.